Hello everyone, welcome to National Defense Institute. Welcome back to the series of Spotting the Error. Today in this video we are going to solve the previous year question of NDA 2 2023. Let's start. Okay. So spotting the error consists of 40 marks out of 200, you may know that. So 10 questions is asked in your examination among 50. So let us start one by one. Here we go. So question number 1 people. Bread, butter and jam, common breakfast items that are consumed by many households. Bread, butter and jam, common breakfast that are consumed by many households. So you may wonder that what is the error in this sense, okay? So you should have a verb over here which is missing, which is nothing but are. Bread, butter and jam are common breakfast items that are consumed by many households. So the error is in option B, okay? Yeah. So there are a lot of errors regarding this subject verb agreement. So a candidate who is aspiring to join the defense forces or any examination, okay, must study subject verb agreement regarding English. Especially NDA people have to study subject verb agreement. Here we go. Second question. $10,000 is the prize money being offered by the game show host. Okay. So $10,000. So there is actually a plural number over here. So plural number $10,000. Plural number. Okay. This plural number will always go with the plural verb. Plural verb. Okay. But there is an exception. There is one exception. So if there is a plural verb, we must use are or where. Okay. So $10,000 are the prize money is wrong. You should not use it. Okay. But we have an exception. What are the exceptions? 1. Amount. 2. Distance. 3. Duration. Okay. 4. Period. Okay. Or the duration. Both are same. Okay. So plural numbers, plural verb. Okay. These are the exceptions for that. In the subject verb agreement, people. Subject verb agreement, these are the cardinal adjectives. Okay. Cardinal adjectives should always go with the plural verb. Plural number, plural verb. Whereas these are the exceptions. So $10,000 is the amount which comes under the exception. So you have to use the singular verb here. These are the exceptions where you have to go for singular verb. Okay, these four, right? So $10,000 is the price amount is the correct answer. So this is not the error over here. Okay, this is not the error. This is not the error over here. Yeah. The answer for this question is no error. B, no error. Okay. So before we go to the next question, NDA 2024 is going to be conducted on month of April. So UPSC is going to conduct that examination. So if you want to enroll in the course of NDA 1 2024, you can join us. You can just kindly contact this number to enroll in the course. Kindly join NDA to crack NDA. Here we go. The process of removing wool from the body of an animal is called sharing. Okay. The process of removing wool from the body of an animal is called sharing. People, that is not sharing, it is called shearing. Okay, yeah, not sharing. Sharing is sharing your food to your friend or somebody else. Okay, whereas shearing is the correct word for it. Okay, shearing. So the error is in option C. All right, we'll move on to the next question. 650. Okay, 365. Okay, 365. Create up the number of days in a calendar year. 365 create up. So it is not create up, whereas it is creates up. Okay, we have to add a S here. So the error is in option B. Okay. Yes. Here we go. Next question. After reading foreword of the book on environmental issues in India, I decided to meet its author. Okay. So after reading the foreword, what do you mean by foreword? First of all, foreword. Foreword is nothing but the introduction, okay, intro of the book or the preface of the book. Okay. After reading the foreword of the book on environmental issues in India, I decided to meet its author. So the error is in option A. So let's move on to the next question. So when you're solving all these questions, you must be aware of all the grammar sections, noun, verb, subject verb agreement, preposition, and etc. Okay. Yeah. Next question. The guidance from the mentors and teachers facilitated the smooth conduct of elections to the students' council. Okay, so the error is in option C. It is not to, it is for the students' council. Okay, for the students' council. You may wonder that the error is in option C because of the student apostrophe. Okay, it is not because of the apostrophe. In the later videos, we will explain why apostrophe and how apostrophe works. So the error is in option C. This is a prepositional error in this question. Let's move on to the next question now. Question number 8. The principal of our school felicitated the students in the prize distributing ceremony. Okay. The principal of our school felicitated the students in the prize distribution ceremony. Okay, so there is no error in this question, so we can easily select no error, and then we move on to the next question, people. So yeah, question number 9. If you were to come to Chennai to settle down, it will be the best possible decision. Yes, it is. If you were to come to Chennai to settle down, it will be the best possible decision. Okay. So remember this, people. Remember this forever. Okay. If, when you say if, that is actually an imaginary state, imaginary position. Okay. Whenever you see if at the beginning of the sentence, this is called imaginary position. Imaginary position. Yeah, so in this imaginary position, always people, always you have to use where, irrespective of the number. Even if it is singular or plural, you have to use where. Okay, followed by this, you should have a would. Okay, I wish, for example, I wish I was were a bird. Okay, so which one would you choose, A or B? Well, definitely you must choose B. Okay, you may think that I was singular. No, you should go for where only in the case of imaginary question. Okay, so where is the correct answer? Okay, so where should be followed by would. So here you can see that if you were to come to Chennai to settle down, it will be the possible decision. Not, it is not will, it is actually would. It would be the possible. Yeah, it would be the possible decision. Okay, decision, that's the correct answer. Okay, C is the answer. Let's move on to the last question of the day. Here we go. They had promised to deliver the bags before mid-March to enable us to inaugurate the shop. Okay, so I can just clearly say that they had promised to deliver, not delivered. Okay, so whenever you see this 2 plus V1, okay, V1 is the first form of verb. Okay, what is V1? First form of verb. V1, deliver. Okay, for an easy example, I will say what is V1. Okay, V1, V2, there are 5 forms of verbs. I will tell you what is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Okay, so deliver, just go for an easy example. Okay, went is V2, V3 is gone. Usually we use V3 for the perfect tense, and then V4 is the gerund, which is going, and then V5 is goes. Okay, whereas V2 here is delivered, ed is been added. Okay, these are the weak verbs. These are called the weak verbs. There are 2 types of verbs, strong and weak verbs. There are many types of verbs, but among this is a weak verb. Okay, V3 is also delivered, and V4 is delivering, and V5 delivers. Pardon my handwriting. So yeah, so you can just say that 2 plus anytime infinitive. Okay, 2 plus infinitive. Okay, V1 should be the answer. So it is not delivered, it is deliver. Okay, to deliver is the correct answer. So option A is our correct answer, people. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a clear idea about how to solve all these questions. You may think that this is tough, but it is not, people. If you study grammar, if you concentrate on some amount of grammar questions, it will be very easy. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe to our channel, National Defense Institute. If you want to enroll the course in the NDA or any further examinations, if you are aspiring to join NDA, if you are a class 11 student or 12 student, kindly contact this number and then enroll the course. Thank you, people. Jai Hind.